In this video you are gonna see about how do you get notified while you will receive any cryptocurrency on your you know on your decentralized actions. Decentralized actions mean using keyphrase. By using that that wallet or exchanger would be a standard on some keyphrase. Okay, keyphrase mean while you want to create any decentralized exchange, at the time they will provide you some word 12 uh, you know 12 word or 24 word, something like that. So the thing is, if you have this on one wallet, and if you just use MetaMask, you can use unlimited account by having that one account first. However, so which wallet uh, you want to connect with, and this app to have here is couple of notification you are seeing that I received. So here if I click on, and here is every notification is popping up, how many transaction I did and anything I received or not. Here is one thing I received, therefore this add button is popping up. So here if I click on which thing is I received, here is W Ethereum I received. If I want to add, click on this add to asset. So if you click on this add asset, it's already added into here. Okay, here. Okay, here that is added already. Maybe you're seeing it is I'm doing testnet morph testnet, that testnet token is this. And what happened while you will send this thing into another wallet? So let's say I'm gonna use my second wallet here. Okay, copy this wallet here, and I wanna send this thing. Okay, if I click on the send button, and here is I paste my address, and here if I want to send to USDT and confirm, if I click on this confirm button, what happened? I'm just showing you that how notification is popping up in front of you. So I'm putting my password here, little bit security purpose. So the request is sent, transaction verification progress, app address block verification time 1 minute. Okay, add to address book. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just going to send okay. And here is that is loading pretty much, because Ethereum based like Morpholsky, it is all about need Ethereum gas fee need uh, Ethereum faucet that will take, because it is testnet token, if you noticed here. Okay, so our notification will be pop up while it will be sent, and I'm showing you. Wait a minute here, and if I okay, so here is Morpholsky, maybe you are seeing. Okay, whatever. Maybe notification would be pop up. If it is not, I'm just going my second account, and here we go. If I click on this here, oh, okay, we received. Just click on this notification bar. Here we received 2 USDT, like non-worthwhile USDT. Click this add button, and that will here. Okay, very simple. You need to more Morpholsky, and here is 2 USDT will be popping up. Okay, so the thing is here. Today's video. See you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.